A few weeks ago, we featured the story of Alexandra Taylor, who, aged just 16, was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis. Now an actress and a finalist in Miss England 2021, she has raised money for charity by cycling around Tameside alongside her partner Joe. This is the story of their charity bike ride that took place on Saturday, April the 10th, whilst battling every weather condition in one day. Right then, here we go. So Alexandra and Joe doing their charity bike ride across Tameside in the snow. Yeah. It's freezing, isn't it? Yeah. So you've done Hurst Cross to Ashton, to Stalybridge.
Yeah.
Dukinfield Morrison's.
Yeah.
How's it gone so far, Joe? Because you're doing all the donkey work.
It's all right. It's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I'm a little bit wet, and now I'm waiting for some bugs.
Yeah.
So we can set up again. I just get some miles under our belt.
Yeah, thank you to everyone that's donated. We really, really appreciate it.
Brilliant, thank you very much. If you're in Stalybridge, heading up towards Dukinfield Morrison's, look out for them because they'll be on the bike. Alexandra's got a bucket as well. There we go. So please donate and throw some pennies, throw some pounds at them, some money, some pennies, anything, and we'll see you at Ducky Morrison's shortly. Firstly, Joe, how was that hill?
That was something completely different. The seat fell off. It all went to bits of pot, but we fixed it up, got back on, and now we're here. So that was good.
Only just.
Yeah, only just.
And people donating as well on the way as you're going up the hill.
So grateful
Yeah,
for all that.
Brilliant. Thank you so much.
Really spurred me on up that hill.
Yeah.
So from Ducky Morrison's, where's the next stop now?
Hyde bus station, is that right?
Yeah,
Hyde
shopping centre, that kind of area.
Yeah, so come down and see us there about 10-15 minutes.
Maybe 20.
This is unbelievable. Just on the way onto the way to Hyde now, and there's a guy just stopped him across the road and asked to donate, which is fantastic. Joey's doing remarkably well pedalling that bike up and down hills in the snow, and it is very, very cold. A snowy Hyde market. You got there.
Got there in the end, yeah. Got a little bit lost, but...
Yeah, took us a while, but we're here.
Absolutely freezing.
And it's been brilliant, because while I've been stood here, people have been donating as well.
Yeah, it's amazing.
I can't believe the generosity has just been incredible from everyone, and even people in cars stopping, running out, chucking some money in. It's been fantastic.
Thank you.
And let's just look at this. Look at that. It's just getting heavier and heavier.
That's going to be the fun to get to Crown Point next.
So it's leaving here up Hyde Road and to Crown Point.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely. And I think another one of those, I think.
I can't feel my toes, honestly.
Yeah, it's been very fun, cold.
Yeah,
Wow.
but worth it.
Yeah.
Definitely worth it.
Excellent. And you're getting there, guys. We'll see you in Denton.
See you later. Bye, guys.
So here we are, McDonald's in Denton. Look at this now. Look at that.
Great weather now, but not when we was on our way here.
No, but we're grateful for it.
We've gone from blue sky, blizzards coming from Hyde to Denton.
Yeah.
So we're now at McDonald's at Denton, getting ready for probably the longest and near to the finest leg now. So
Yeah.
where are we going now, Joe?
Ashton _ Market, aren't we? Off to the
Yeah.
Ashton Market.
Ashton Market. So if you've not given yet, the Just Giving page is on our Facebook page. If you find Alexandra's video from last week, there's a link there. We're nearly at the target.
We are nearly there.
Hopefully.
And massive thanks to the number of people who've donated while we've been out.
Absolutely incredible.
Been brilliant.
Brilliant. I mean, people on the drive-through here at McDonald's just giving money while they're
Jumping
waiting
out
for the
and dropping
food.
some coins in. It's
Fantastic.
So,
So,
yeah.
about half an hour or so we'll be in Ashton. Donate on the page if you can, and if you can't, come and see us out and blast your horn.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. See you later.
Right, Ashton Market. How was that, Joe?
That was. I'm just exhausted. My legs are burning. I'm ready for a nice bath. Just got one more leg to go.
Yeah, nearly done.
We're all
Nearly
good.
done. Yeah, that was the longest leg from Denton to Ashton. Who now just got the last bit from Ashton to Hurst Cross.
Yeah.
And then we're
So,
done.
a nice bath, nice hot bath. Yeah.
Yeah, and some food.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Well-
grateful for everyone donating.
Yeah, really. Thank you so much.
It's been fantastic.
Yeah.
It really has.
Well, you guys have been just absolutely awesome. So we'll let you crack on, and we'll see you at the finish line.
Thank
See
you
then.
very
See
much.
you later. Bye, guys.
Thank you so much to everyone who's donated, and I'm really thankful to Joe who did all the pedalling, and to your Tameside for following this journey. It's just been absolutely amazing. Thank you to everyone who's donated.
Thank you so much.